Hello and welcome to tutorial 4. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit your character. You can change how they look, whether it's a boy or a girl, what class they are, what skills you've got, etc, etc. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to generate your own face and your character. So we click on the character generator, which is good, there we go. And you need to choose either male or female character. So I'll just choose female, and you can generate random. There you go. Let's find one I like. Let's have a look. Just like that. Brilliant. And you can obviously change all the hair color and the eye color as well, exactly how you want. So there's my character, the face, and there is the body of the character. Don't like the cloak. Let's change that to that one. Cloth, let's try that one. That she looks more cool, doesn't she? Brilliant. So there's my new character. Need to output the face. Let's call this girl 2. Try and choose slightly more inventive names than I do. And girl 2. Good. So you output both of those. Make sure you output them before you close this, otherwise you will lose your character. Good, that's done. But that hasn't actually changed your character on the screen, your main character there. What you need to do now to change it on the screen is you need to go to Tools, Database, and here you need to pick your character. So I'm going to change Eric. So we're going to change Eric here. The graphic is going to be girl 2, and the face graphic is going to be girl face. Oops, oh no, girl 2. There we go. And there we go. Let's give her a name. Natalia. There you go. We'll call her Nat. There you go. And she's going to be, and of course you can change all the different things you want to do. She's going to be a spell blade or priestess. Let's do priestess. She can start at level 4. Starting equipment. Again, if you wanted to start with equipment, you can use those. So no, but she can have a shield. And a bandana. There you go. Casual clothes. There you go. So we'll leave that there. Defense piece. There you go. Good. There you go. Done. So that's how you change your character. And now you can see there she's actually changed her character on the screen. And if you play the game, there you go. As you can see, she's walking around with a new cloak, which looks pretty cool, I think. And if you go fight her, if you get to fight against the enemies now, she should have her proper skills all done. There you go. Nice quick tutorial. Thank you very much.